Hi kids! Welcome to this week's edition of TBC Kids Club. I'm your host, Crafty Aggie. TBC Kids Club is a children's club that seeks to promote learning through art, crafts, and do-it-yourself activities. If you're a parent, register on the links below and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin, shall we? Did you know that the sun is the center of the solar system? And did you know that the sun is actually a star? And that its light takes about 8 minutes to get to the earth? Well, in this activity, I'll be showing you how to make your own sun. Cool, right? So, you will need the following materials. Yellow modeling clay. If you don't have this at home, you can always use dough, the one used for making chapati, mandazi. Just add a bit of food coloring. And then, googly eyes. We'll only use a pair of this. And if you don't have the googly eyes, you can just use beads. Let's begin. Step 1, pinch off a small chunk of modeling clay from the entire mold. Step 2, roll it between your palms to make a ball. Step 3. From your ball, pinch off a small portion and rub it against your index finger to make a thin strip. This is your thumb. Next to it is the index finger. This is the one used for pointing at things. Say direction, go there. So let's pinch off and then roll it on the table with your index finger. Thin. But here it's a bit fat, so leave it like so. Step 4, repeat the same procedure and place the strip alongside the first one. Remember, pinch, roll, and place. Repeat the pinch, roll, and place process until you complete a full circle. We began here. We'll go on placing strips around the circle until we finish here. As you can see, these yellow strips will form our rays. Pinch. Step 5, take your ball and pinch off a small chunk of clay from this. Pinch it, then roll it into a ball. You can do it in between the palms of your hands. You can also do it on the table or any other flat surface. And then you flatten it out like a chapati. And you take it up and place it on top of the rays at the center, gently pressing it down. Step 6, pinch off another piece of clay and roll it into a thin strip. This will form the mouth of our sun. We want to give it a smiley face. So here. Then we take eyes and place them over there. Finally, let's carve the rays of our sun to give it a more natural feel. And that's it! We're done with our sun project. There's an endless list of items you can make using modeling clay, starting with this one. Send us photos of how your projects turned out using the hashtag TBC Kids Club. Now, I know just how much you enjoy reading books, and in this activity, I'll be showing you how to make a piggy-themed bookmark. It's fun, it's simple, and it will definitely make you love reading even more. You will need the following materials. A4 sized piece of paper. This is pink, white on this side. If you don't have pink paper, you can just use normal white copy paper and then use crayons in the end. Next is a glue stick. You can also use the normal office glue, the watery kind. Here we have a pair of scissors. Always remember about sharp objects, always ask for help from an adult. And here we have a black marker pen. Alternatively, you can use a black pen, black crayon, or black colored pencil. Let's begin. Step 1, we want to make a square from our rectangular sheet. What we'll do is that we'll fold our paper diagonally like this. This sharp edge will rest on the opposite edge. Remember that it's making a right angled triangle over here. When I do that, I will flatten the edge like this and trim off the excess. So this is the excess part. Take your pair of scissors and trim it just along that edge where the pink ends and the white starts. Chop, chop, chop. Open it up. This is your square. Step 2. Fold your square diagonally in half. So this was a line that was formed when we were making the square. We'll just use this same one, like that. So now we have a triangle. And then we take this left edge, left on your end but right to me. And then we place it towards the sharpest corner of the triangle and press down. You can see it's at the center. Repeat this same step for the other side, like this. Crease down. Now we have a diamond shape. Step 3. Open up the flaps of this diamond. These are the flaps. Open them up. We can see we have 2 layers. So take this upper layer and fold it towards this edge. Like this. Step 4, tuck the flaps which are formed into the pocket that we now have. So these 2 flaps, like this, it will just flow by itself. Let me show you. And then you tuck it inside there. That's number 1. We move on to this next one. Tuck it inside here. You can't see. Yeah. Step 5. Using a marker pen, draw the ears of the pig on this remaining piece of paper and then take your pair of scissors and cut them out. Let's do ear 1. So they're usually sharp when you get towards them. Oh, sorry. Let's put an X on that and try again. I want them to be sharp. There. Now we cut them out. we'll be using the pink side. Step 6, now we want to draw the eyes, and we'll be using this glue stick as a template for the circles. So I'll take my marker pen and trace around it. Second circle. The circle doesn't have to be that perfect. Now I want to cut them out. I'm just cutting along the edge, in fact inside of it. Then we want to shade in the eyes. Next, we want to draw the nose. So first, we'll draw an oval shape. Don't mind this drawing. Then, using our pair of scissors, we'll cut it out. To complete it, we'll draw 2 small holes, which will be the nostrils on either side of the oval shape, like that. So here we go. Oink oink. Finally, we want to complete the bookmark by sticking everything onto it. So we'll start with the ears. Take your glue stick, smear some of it here at the end of one ear, and then, sorry, I'm blocking you with this, and then take your bookmark, so it's stuck on like that, and then we do the same for the second ear. Press it down like that. Our ears are stuck like that. Let's move on to the eyes. Take one. This time I'm going to take the paper and place it, smear it from that end, and then I stick it down. Then I take its partner here, do the same, then stick it down on the piggy's face. Then our nose. At least this time I can turn it the other way around. And then you stick it over here. So it's halfway in, halfway stuck onto the bookmark. So you can see there's some of it. There's some of it which is not completely stuck. Can you see it? You can pick up reading from wherever you left off thanks to your new Piggy themed bookmark. we are done for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't miss out on a chance to win fun gift hampers from Textbook Center. Simply upload photos of your project using the hashtag TBC Kids Club. Remember to subscribe to this channel or click the links below for more details. See you all next time. Bye!